Hey, buddy, Thomas here. If you ever find yourself in those, crazy situations where you're like, maybe I should record this in case this goes horribly wrong. So right now, I get up this ice-covered, rainy, wet hillside here, but I had this grand idea. I'm gonna move this metal table up into our attic of the garage. Well, this orientation right here, I was able to put my forks underneath here. They would reach out to that center bar there, and it was fully supported, and I can move it around no problem. The problem is that table weighs a lot. With the heavy metal on there, I don't know, I am not strong enough to pull that sucker off of there and get it up into the barn or to the garage here. So with some ingenuity, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna flip it over, use a ratchet strap, and then do this upside down. So let me get everything set up here. I'll set the camera up on the tripod. Hopefully it won't get too wet and everything. This should be fun to watch. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and use tractor, pull her back, flip the table over, strap her down, and then we'll see if we can just push up in there upside down. It should go better, but only time will tell. Got a miserable day with it being rainy and 37 degrees. We know we gotta get the forks back underneath there. It's good to have something that the table should go on to. Leaves me room for the forks. This is a very heavy table that I bought down in Green Bay a few months ago. It's really heavy. Here, watch out, dog. Oh boy. Susie, come here. Come here. Nothing sketchy about this. This is really heavy. This thing's got to be over 400, 500 pounds. I don't know. All right. So that worked out okay. Now we just got to get her over one more time. All right. Come on. This is a dog flattener. Get out the way. Move, Susie. Susie, come on. Move, Susie. Whew. Wow. Okay. Table upside down. Step one complete. Now let's get right strap. Hopefully everything's within view. Yep, it is. Okay. Right strap. The reason I do this is so when I put the forks in there, if I was just to lift it straight up, it would fall straight forward. This right here will give me some support. Oh, sorry, girl. That probably hurt. Woo. Crazy dog. Alright. Angle this just a smidge. I'm going to adjust my forks just a little bit. made it where it's all the way up against. For some reason, it wasn't going all the way up against the fork. Come on, dogs. Oh, I think they just get on everything. There we go. All right. And as you can see, I lifted my forks up there, so hopefully I lifted them enough to get the strap underneath. Yep, always have a knot to untie. Typical. I think last time I was dealing with these though, came back from Tennessee and they were frozen onto the trailer. That was great. Okay, should be clear. Yeah. Third time, fourth time, whatever it was, charm. Okay, now all we gotta do, strap her to herself. You know, I don't like when the weather's like this. I'm like, be cold or be dry. Or be just raining and warm, but don't be something in between like this. Kinda can't do anything because I'll tear up the ground too much. Whew, excuse me, that stunk. Heart and dog. Left me a surprise. Yeah, I love you. Good dad. Alright. Now, we'll see if this lifts up as intended. I'll lift her up and then I'll reposition the camera so you see it going in. Yep, I got plenty of fork underneath there. Let's see, will that make sense? Hey, one more strap. Help me, one more strap. I've got the end here. Now I need to get back here. I think I might be able to do it just with this one strap totally. Otherwise, it's still just gonna pendulum forward. A cinch. I'm cinching on the other piece of strap there. I'll just come to here. All right, now we can try it. Go. Not sketchy at all. Now we're going to move it over here where you can see it going up. Should be good. All right, let's get this sucker in there. Got about 50-ish% up there. I think I can probably keep the camera here. Maybe I'll adjust it just a little bit. And see if we have enough strength to actually pull that sucker up in there. I'm probably gonna get rain on the camera lens that way. Let me go on this side. Because I'm gonna have to do something sketchy. I can already tell you right now, I've got to get up there and stand on top of the table to unstrap it. All right, give her a go. All right, I also have to keep Susie up here and try not to have her commit doggy suicide with a big old piece of cow bone. Yeah, it feels secure-ish. By undoing this back strap, it might move forward. Maybe. Maybe not. Probably not, because I do have it pinned here, so that makes sense. All right. Fun. Oh shit, look away. Oh yeah, she's tight. All right. Strap is undone. Now all I gotta do is pull her in. There's no way I could have done it the other way. That was everything I could do to pull that sucker in. And I ain't no lightweight either. There you have it. Not too shabby. Got a big old table up here now. And I gotta get stood up. Okay, so table is up there. The intent is to have the table up there to work on finishing spoons and whatnot up there in the garage. And down here, I will do all my planing and stuff like that. And anything that produces a lot of sawdust, I'll have it down here because I can just put it out at the ground level and then not have to worry about all that wood, sawdust and whatnot back and forth. Hope you found this video interesting. It was something that just came up and I'm like, you know what, I better film this. So 14 minutes, not too shabby. Get this whole thing done with filming. All right, please like, subscribe. We'll see you around. Thanks.